Okay, for those of you who are not familiar with Visual Studio too much, I'm gonna show you real quick how to create a new project that runs OpenCL. So first of all, we create a new project in Visual Studio. By the way, this on my machine is Visual Studio 2010. In the lab you have Visual Studio 2012, but it doesn't really matter. The difference should be nothing at all when we do this here. So we create a new project, we go to File, New Project, and there we select Empty Project. Give it some name like OpenCL Test, I don't know, whatever, and we get a new project. We can add some source file to the source files folder, and we'll just have one main source file, main.cpp, which will be empty. And what our program will do is it will run some info output on OpenCL. I have put this in Moodle. This is a small test program to see if OpenCL works on your machine and what version of OpenCL etc. is supported. So I copy this in here and I get a lot of errors. The main error is that it cannot find the include header cl.h. That's easy to fix. You right click on the project and go to properties, and in C++ there is a section additional include directories, and here you need to add where your include directory will be. Usually I'm going to show you an example here for if you have NVIDIA graphics card, then you will have the NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit installed, and you will have a directory which is something like NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit CUDA and the version number, and in there will be an include directory, and you will see that in this include directory there's also a CL directory, and inside we have cl.h and cl.hpp, which you should use if you want to use the bindings for C++. Okay, so we paste this in here, hit apply, and then we go OK. We see the red lines have disappeared, and if we run we will get linker errors. We also have to set the library directories. We go right click properties and we select the linker tab, and there should be a section additional library directories, and in here you add from the same library directory the lib folder, actually the Win32 folder, and you just copy that in here. And there's one more thing to do, which is under linker general no input there is a section additional input dependencies, and there you have to write opencl.lib, and once you do that you hit apply, and then you can compile, and the thing actually builds. You can run it and you will shortly see some output which will show you which OpenCL versions are supported on your machine. That's it. It's as easy as that. I also suggest that you copy opencl.hpp from Moodle into your CL include folder. But other than that, that's it.